Hey folks, Dave Parrish here, again doing a Knack database functionality video. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like on YouTube. That helps. But today's topic is how to improve search results. Some searches are really just basic. You're searching for an invoice number or a customer or things like that, and you can use the search function or the keyword or whatever. Those are quite straightforward. But sometimes I've been doing some more complex searches. One as an example, in Chicago, I did this project where uh, high school kids search for vocational programs that they can enter after they graduate. Well, there's a lot more things going on there. The user is searching broad things, trying to narrow it down. They're not searching for something specific. And there's some tricks you can do that improves search results. I've done several of these type of projects, and initially we had some issues with, hey, what we're looking for isn't showing up. I'll show you some approaches that can help improve that. Thanks. Okay, I'm back, and here's a few things that I've learned over time. Some are experimental, but that have improved some of the search results. So more involved searches. This won't be too long of a video. Here's what I do. For the thing you're searching for, like in a table or whatever. Um, don't if it's a connected uh, field, don't use the native display field that appears in the table or the record that you have. Rather, jump over to the connected one. I'm going to show you this real quick. I'll get to all three of these. Pages. There's nothing sensitive. Search services. This is a search, and it results in a list, but it doesn't matter. The service for the vocational program that they're trying to find is provided by someone. They may provide many, one to many. This is the provider. And look what we did. Instead of this provider field appears natively in this display field in the service itself. But instead of using that field, you jump over and you through the connection. See that? You're going to go to connection, then find it. Go grab the actual field from it and not the display field. We've seen that improves at hitting it. Let's see what the next one is. Oops, that's my. Um, Use text formulas to draw in information for an object. I'll show you this real quick. Remember, we have providers. Some organization, they can provide many different services, but the provider itself might have all kinds of information. It's useful if you're searching for something. Not only the name, description, what they do, locations, website, whatever, something that might be able to get a hit on a search. So what we do, and there may be other connected values too. Let's go to the service. And I'm just going to show you this. We use a text format. Let's go over here. Okay, right here. We start drawing in. That's what this is, a text formula. And I put a star next to these because they're sort of behind the field, behind the scenes. That's my way to do it. Let's keep going. Right here. We're drawing it. We're going up to the parent and grabbing text that might somehow be useful, inserting it into the actual child service record. So now we have all kinds of text here that we're drawing in from the parent that somehow might be hit on a search. We found that to be definitely useful. Now, no, drawing in from other objects only works in this direction. A text formula can look up and grab the one parent and grab its stuff. You can't look down at child records in a text format and grab them. They won't recognize it automatically. It's true. Now, the last one, this is this is just use tags or keywords, a list of them, like you might do in a blog post or when you're uploading YouTube video. We found this to be useful. It's a little tedious, but it definitely helps. Let me go back to up here and let's go to that one. In this particular case, the manager of this thing, of the program, just started entering keywords. It could be because these kids are looking for these programs, and who knows what they're going to think of when they're searching for something. So we kept looking at these and came up with all kinds of. Now I have other clients that just put in tons of keywords also, but this puts something in there when it's a more involved search that might get a hit. These are 3 tricks that I use regularly, and they definitely help improve. The clients were happy after we did them because prior to that, we found issues in the simple search. Now, Knack won't do what I really like, some sort of Google algorithm where it returns the most relevant based on something. The searches here won't do that. Maybe eventually. Other more straightforward searches, so stuff like this can help. That's what I got today, guys. Appreciate it. Thank you.